Hi, I'm Darly de la Peña and I live in Layton, Utah. Well, I choose ES Solar because somebody recommended. I see that it was a stable company that has been in the market for a long time. I do a little search and I found that they are really great. And I confirm now that they are installing the solar panels and the battery in my home. Well, one of the concerns that we have, we already installed panels in other house. Unfortunately, the company just get out of business, so we don't have nobody to go, nobody to follow up, nobody to address our concerns, give us support. I don't know how much I was producing or how much I was being charged by Rocky Mountain certain amounts. With ES Solar, I find out that they actually have an app where you can track everything. You can see how much you are producing, how much is going to the battery, how much is going to the net. The people from ES Solar has been on the project with us, walking us, explaining us how is everything going. ES Solar hold your hand and walk you through the process. Financial reward in doing this, but more than that, we have to do something for our children, for the planet. With all these political things going on, we need to be more green energy, right? I think it's our responsibility of everyone to do our little part of it and contribute for the health of the planet, right? That's in my case the main reason for I did this. If you're in the area, definitely I recommend ES Solar.